Hey everyone, Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you with me as always, and I hope you're all having an amazing Tuesday. It is January 20th, 2026, and you're tuned into the Nasdaq Daily Recap. Market news and economic landscape. Today's economic calendar was relatively light. At 8:15 a.m., we received the ADP Employment Change Weekly report. Later in the morning, at 11:30 a.m., the Treasury conducted the 3- and 6-month bill auctions. On the corporate side, Netflix was set to release earnings after the closing bell, keeping traders cautious throughout the session. Overnight session. When futures reopened at 6 p.m., the market initially moved higher, and our robot entered a long position. Meanwhile, Bitcoin continued sliding, while silver began to pull back from recent highs. As Asian markets opened, momentum shifted, the market dipped, and our long position was stopped out for a loss, setting a cautious tone heading into the European session. Pre-market data and volatility. During the early morning hours, volatility increased noticeably. Our robot executed several swing trades, which unfortunately resulted in additional losses. At the same time, Bitcoin crashed below 91,000, while silver briefly touched the 95 level. At 8:15 a.m., the ADP Employment Change Weekly came in at 8,000, lower than the previous reading of 11.25,000. The market reacted negatively, dipping further. In response, our robot entered a short position. Cash session and intraday trades. At 9:30 a.m., as U.S. equity markets officially opened, volatility accelerated. Our robot actively traded the fast-moving conditions, executing several intraday positions. Bitcoin continued its downward trajectory toward the 90,000 level, while Intel surged higher, up roughly 5%, providing some sector-specific strength amid broader weakness. By late morning, improved trade management helped reduce the realized loss to $68. Afternoon session and into the close. In the afternoon, selling pressure intensified and the market dropped sharply. Our robot responded by entering a short position. As downside momentum strengthened, AI and technology stocks remained under pressure, and Bitcoin continued to slide throughout the session. Before the closing bell, the open short position carried an unrealized profit of over $300. After the close, Netflix reported earnings and the stock moved lower. However, its impact on the broader index remained limited. That wrapped up a busy and volatile Tuesday in the markets. Summary. Today marked the first full trading day after the long weekend, and the market showed clear signs of weakness and elevated volatility. Despite a challenging start, our robot adapted to the changing conditions, managing risk effectively and reducing the day's losses to $134, while carrying a profitable position overnight. Thank you for tuning in and being part of this daily journey. I'm Matthew, wishing you all an amazing evening. I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Daily Recap.